Hello, this is Peter from Old Man King Homestead. Today's Monday. We had off and on showers today. Not really too bad of a day. Around 50 degrees today. I took the lawn tractor on its maiden voyage this morning. I had some papers I had to fax, so I went to the truck stop and got that done. I didn't really save any time with it, but it was a lot easier going. It took me just over a half hour to get there and 40 minutes to get home, which is comparable to what it is on a bicycle, only it was much easier riding. I was gonna go to the laundromat, post office, and go get propane and get some water, but I had some stuff to do around here today, so I'm gonna make that trip tomorrow. Still gonna have to get some parts for it. I got a clip in here. You can see that it's gonna need the tie rods and spindles. But hopefully I can get them soon and get that straightened out. But that definitely is going to be a big help. I got a couple deliveries today. I got a pack of gloves, which actually I wore a pair of them today. They're a lightweight glove, perfect for this time of the year. Thank you very much for getting them for me. I also got a bag of hog feed today. And I forgot to mention in Saturday's video, also got a bag of chicken feed on Saturday. And both of those bags were parts of a bigger order. Thank you very much for that. I know I've got some more stuff coming from Walmart and some more stuff coming from Amazon. I'll let you know when I get that stuff. Thank you everyone for everything. And thank you for everyone that participated in my live yesterday. That went quite well. And I was talking about my video to celebrate 100 videos. Most likely that's going to be out tomorrow. They're saying my live last night was my 99th video. So this one here will make 100 according to YouTube's count. But if you remember in August when I did my live to celebrate 1 month on YouTube, I got disconnected in the middle and had to go back on again. So that actually counted as 2 videos, where technically it was only 1. It's just because I got disconnected in the middle. So actually this is my 99th video here. So tomorrow I hope to have my 100th video out. I got a clip in here of some birds getting together ready to fly south. I tried to pull my camera out as soon as I heard them coming. They flew right overhead. And you should have saw how many birds there was. The sky was just black with birds. And they flew into the trees over on the hedgerow. And that's where I got some video of them. But you really can't see the amount of birds that there was. It was in the thousands. I don't know exactly how many, but there was a lot of birds there. And it looked like they were meeting up with some birds coming from the other direction. And then after a minute or two, they took off and headed south. I made it to the truck stop and back, which is about 3 miles away. I had to fax a paper this morning, so I took the lawn tractor there to do that. It took me 33 minutes to get there, 40 minutes to get back, which is equivalent to what it takes on a bicycle. I think it may go a little bit faster once I can get the new parts for it and get the alignment straightened out, because that's sitting pretty good right now, but I don't know if you can tell, but that wheel's not exactly straight. Well, actually that one's out a little bit. There, now you should be able to see where they go out a little bit. So when you're going down the road, one of the tires is going kind of sideways. I think that's slowing it down some. So once you get that straightened out, should be in good shape. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please like my video, and please continue watching. That'll do it for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one, everyone.